Yeah. Come in.
Want to see me, Gidget?
You can leave the door open. Franky.
Gidget.
There is an external psych that comes into the prison on a Tuesday, and he sees a couple of the women in the protection unit. He's very experienced, and I've asked him to complete your program. I'll then liaise with him in the writing of your report for the parole board. These rumours aren't going away.
Is that why the door's open? So no one thinks we're in here going bumper to bumper?
Fucking hell, Franky. We're living in a fishbowl. The parole board get wind of it, they're going to question every recommendation that I make. This is in your best interests.
This is not about my interests. This isn't even about the rumours. This is about what I told you.
No, it's got nothing to do with that.
It's got everything to do with that. You pushed and pushed for me to open up, and now that I have, you don't know what the fuck to do with me.
Sorry, I can come back.
Nah, don't worry about it. We're done.
Sorry, I've got to go.
Hey, hang on, Matt. Matt, come back, hey.
Better watch it. People think you and Knuckle Nuts are screwing.
Franky, what are you doing here?
I don't want to see the other bloke. I want to see you.
Our appointments have been cancelled. Sorry, you'll have to take it back.